Hey guys, my name is Jamie, and I'm going to show you how to make my Vanilla Dream smoothie. So, here we go. Here are all the items that you will need for this smoothie. First, you're going to start out with a blender. I use the NutriBullet. Next, you're going to need some agave. You could also use honey in place of this, but I really like the flavor of agave. Next, you'll need some vanilla protein powder. Next is some coconut milk, but you easily could use some regular vanilla yogurt. And finally, you will need some frozen bananas and peaches. Okay, so I started out with my vanilla protein powder. It is a raw vegan vanilla protein powder that I got from TJ Maxx. After having made the smoothie, I realized I probably shouldn't have put the powder in first, as it got stuck to the bottom of the cup and didn't really get incorporated all the way. Next, I'm going to add agave. I get my agave bulk at Fresh Thyme. I just take in my own jar and just fill it up. You could also use honey in place of agave. It just depends on which flavor of sweetener you prefer. Next, I'm going to put in some coconut yogurt. You could use regular vanilla yogurt, but that coconut is what really gives it a nice tropical, dreamy flavor. And then finally, I put in some peaches and bananas that I froze overnight. I would not suggest packing them into a container so tightly, as I could not get this broken apart for the life of me, so it took me a while to do all that. You could also use store-bought frozen bananas and peaches. My bananas and peaches were getting ripe, so I cut those up and froze them the day before. And then I got lazy and then just decided to put in the giant chunks. And I did forget to mention, I like to top it off with some water, just to thin it out a little bit, help everything get incorporated pretty well. You could also use a nut milk or milk. Then you blend all that up. It turned out a little thick, so I did add a little bit more water to thin it out. You could also add ice. I typically just prefer to use frozen fruit. You easily could add some ice as well. So I just blended it a little bit more to incorporate that water. Make sure everything is silky smooth. Boom. Oh, see, there's the protein powder. So you'd always scrape the sides to get that off. But that is my Vanilla Dream tropical smoothie. So thanks so much for watching. Jamie out.